enough.
I think
You can do the weather.
I'm gonna do the weather.
I'll do the sports.
Fine.
Track coaches this year will be Holiday, Roberts, Miss Off, and Mr. Arnold. I'm not doing track this year.
Have you guys seen my yellow sock? I can't find it.
Yellow sock.
Yeah.
Where'd you get a yellow sock?
I don't know, but I had one.
Well, do you want to look for it?
Let's look. Yeah. Whose dog?
What? No!
I say you do the weather.
Okay, enough fighting. Sick of this. It's like Iraq and
I'm sorry.
Free meat for the audience today. What about
Maddie?
Oh, Madison Grace photos. Oh,
Yes.
Grace. Can say many things about her.
Yes.
Isn't she cheating on that Mac?
Too many bad things. I want my yellow sock.
Oh man, what was Carly and Lynn's song? It's like Maddie and Tyler sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. But now that's ancient history. Now they're making out in front of me.
Don't fall
Don't fall out of the tree. Yeah. This is awesome. That's
Yeah.
so cool.
Cool.
So how you guys doing? Hey, are you Japanese?
Ooh.
Your eyes.
Maybe meet Ying Ho and tell me what he said.
Ying Ho, isn't that like the basketball player?
Ying Ho.
What about that Kanye West guy? You know?
West. Kanye?
Oh.
No.
Kanye West.
Kane.
It's Kane. No.